link 1602 ready.
Link 1602 per towel. Qantas 6109, wind 080 degrees, 6 knots, runway 03 cleared to land.
Runway 03 cleared to land, request vacating Delta, Qantas 6109.
Delta approved.
Thank you.
Qantas 71, connect departures.
71.
Link 1602, line up runway 03.
Line up 03, link 1602.
Touch ground, TAC 28 with a company Airbus A321XLR, requesting tow clearance from bay 702 to bay 13.
TAC 28, tow is approved.
Tow is approved, TAC 28.
So delivery Rex 2268, bay 213 with India requesting intersection departure off the bar.
Yeah, Rex 2268, ATIS will be, a new ATIS will be out shortly for runway 21. You can taxi via Charlie and hold short of link 4.
Taxi via Charlie, hold short link 4, Rex 2268.
Perth ground, Qantas 6109 for bay 18.
Qantas 6109, Perth ground, taxi to the bay.
Taxi to the bay, Qantas 6109.
Ground Singapore 226, request taxi clearance.
Singapore 226, still information India, new ATIS will be out shortly for runway 21. Taxi via Sierra, hold short runway 24.
Sierra, hold short 24, awaiting new ATIS Singapore 226.
Velocity 1727, receipt of India for runway 21, request taxi, November intersection.
Velocity 1727, taxi via Charlie, hold short runway 24.
Taxi by Charlie, hold short runway 24, velocity 1727.
Information Juliet now, main change runway 21. 1727, your number 1 to the Rexar when you're left there.
Number 1, Velocity 1727.
Velocity 469, give way to company outbound behind, pushbacks approved.
Give way to the company outbound and then pushback through. Thanks, Velocity 469.
Singapore 226 on Sierra, cross runway.